So let me show you the perfect style for date night, Valentine's night, first dates. It's going to be a fishtail, which is super simple. It's just one strand crossing over the other strand. So no folding like an ordinary like French braid. It's just a strand comes over, places across the other strand, and you just hold that in the center with your hands all the way to the bottom. And then once you get to the bottom, you're going to just take small sections of the side strands, teasing them out as you go, placing them one across the other, nice and small. You don't want these to be too chunky, otherwise it'll just look like a regular braid. So I'm going to do that all the way to the bottom, just taking those strands over, teasing out. You can pull this as big as you want to. And then once you get to the bottom, you'll pop in an elastic band. Now this is optional. I'm just kind of loosening the style a little bit, making it look a little bit sort of romantic. And then you'll just twist up that braid, hold it at the nape of the neck and use some grips to place that in. I've got this cute accessory from Shein, but you can use anything you want, leaving the little tail out at the bottom just to add that softness. And this is the spin with the lovely Danina. Looks really, really cute from every angle, nice and relaxed, super pretty.